Because, Brian, it may be the only way to ensure that the evidence that was amassed by Jack Smith, that's included in Volume 2 of his special counsel report, the evidence of Donald Trump's unlawful retention of classified documents, his obstruction of justice, and his violation of our nation's espionage laws, dismissing the case against the two co-defendants, may be the only way to make sure that evidence is protected and preserved from Donald Trump's Department of Justice. Because come Monday, if it hasn't been protected, if it hasn't been preserved, what do you think Donald Trump is going to have his DOJ officials do with evidence that incriminates him? Probably not preserve it for future use. I'm going to go out on a limb there. And so right now, this case is like in the legal upside down. Today, there was a hearing in a courtroom in Florida presided over by none other than Trump-appointed Judge Aileen Cannon. She was presiding over a matter in which she had no jurisdiction and no authority. And by way of background, Jack Smith generated a report about both of his federal criminal investigations into Donald Trump's crimes, his election subversion crimes in D.C. That was a case presided over by Judge Tanya Chutkan, and his classified documents crimes in Florida, presided over until she dismissed the case by Judge Aileen Cannon. Jack Smith generated a report that has 2 volumes. Volume 1 about the D.C. crimes, Volume 2 about the classified documents crimes. And Judge Cannon just decided to take jurisdiction over both of those matters. Mind you, she never presided over the election subversion crimes in D.C.,